All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, it is bright out here. The sun is absolutely booming. Okay, so today is a very special day. It is the first official drop day for Lab Culture. If you guys didn't check out one of my last videos where I talked about starting my own brand, Lab Culture, you guys have seen this within my content now for months and months. Well, I figured I would take you through a day in the life being a content creator, starting my own brand, first drop day, and also we got a couple brand deal things to do later on today too, so it should be a nice packed day, especially while the weather is nice here in downtown Chicago. Got to take advantage of it because it is gorgeous outside. So this morning I want to get up, get things going. I went for a quick run. I decided to just go into the apartment gym today just to be kind of fast. And also, I know I've talked about these headphones in a recent video, the Beats Fit Pro. They are my favorite headphones to work out in right now. They stay in your ears so good, especially when you're running or doing, you know, whatever sort of movement. Like even I've shot around playing basketball wearing these, but they fit so good. The bass sounds amazing. Highly recommend. But yeah, especially with this first, month, little over a month now of me being full-time, I've tried to take my health as a priority. So trying to kind of do something fitness related in the morning, whether it be a workout, a run, whatever it is. So got a quick one out of the way, and now it's time to go downstairs. I think actually there might be some breakfast waiting for us. So we gotta go shower, eat, and get prepped for this first launch. And I'm so stoked to show you guys behind the scenes of the entire thing. Let's go. Hi. All right, so Miranda surprised me with a little Chick-fil-A breakfast. We got a little chicken egg white grill biscuit, hash brown, a little iced coffee. About to smash this before we go live. All right, so right now it is 10:38. We go live in 22 minutes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little anxious right now, not nervous. I have full faith in everything, and I mean the hype behind this is already just absolutely insane, more than I even expected. So I am expecting to sell out, and I think we will. How fast, we'll see. We're 22 minutes out at this point. Just gonna get some things polished, make sure posts are ready to go up, and then we're gonna document the actual going live here, and then afterwards I want to show you guys more about what's going in the boxes, what's in these orders and everything. I'll check in with you guys here shortly. 5 minutes out. So what are we gonna do? Have a little caffeine to, make us less stressed. One-handed crack for the boys. Oh man, what do you think? It's probably at least 9 out of 10. Dog's ready. Dog's ready.
Ready.
All right, it should now be live. Oh my God, people are already ordering. It's been like 2 seconds. Oh no. Look how many orders are coming in. This is insane. It's nonstop buzzing. Okay, I guess I gotta post my post. There's already been 16 orders. It's gone. 2's already sold out.
It's literally not even been 2 minutes.
There's 2 in stock. I can't even get my post up. Oh man. Now I feel like I let so many people down. I'm like shaking. I could have sold 5X easily.
It's gone.
It's gone. I know. Well, I gotta, hang on. Well, it's cool because not only is it something I like because I'd wear it, but the fact that many people care about it too, it's a crazy thing. All right, so we are now going to get started on packing some orders. So right now I have stuff set up in here. I was filming a TikTok video last night showing this. So once we actually start packing, we'll probably move it out to the living room, kitchen area to have a little bit more room. But I kind of have it set up in here to show you guys what all is going in the box itself, okay? So we got kind of a sample box right here. So as you guys can see, we got that custom Lab Culture tape. Nice little detail. It's always in the details. So we got a box. Whatever the person orders, let's say it's a hat, we'll throw it in there. And then every order is coming with a couple stickers. So we got kind of like that main Lab Culture logo. And then also, which seems to be a fan favorite, kind of the circle logo right there. So those go in there. Got my label printer set up right here, which is probably a very basic thing, but it's a new world for me, so it's kind of fun to figure out. And then every order is gonna be coming with one of these cards, which on the front, you kind of have a nice little design based off of one of my backgrounds, Lab Culture logo, and then on the back, we have the Lab Culture logo, as well as the brand mission statement. And then especially on this first whole run, and hopefully many more in the future, I'm gonna write a little note on each one, sign it or whatever, and just thank everyone for supporting me and the brand. So a lot of work has gone into this to make this day happen, and I wanna make it a really kind of like special, exclusive thing. And so far, it's going exactly how I wanted to, and it's just crazy. Selling out in 2 minutes, absolutely insane. So yeah, we're printing out the bulk order right now, or at least we're doing the first 50 prints right now. But it's cool because at this point, I haven't even been able to really check my phone, but it is blowing up with people texting me, people are tagging me in stories. So this is an exciting day. So we're gonna get these printed out. It's time to start packing up some boxes. All right, so checking in a couple hours later, honestly, this has taken us a good amount of time. But, you know, the handwritten notes is an important thing, and I think it's gonna go a long way, but I'll give you guys a quick little sneak peek here. So we got some finished orders over here, and then working on the next round of them right now. So these have the hats, shipping label, stickers, and all that in there. Now I just need to write the notes, then tape up the top. Very, very surreal feeling, but it's really cool to just do this by hand. And I know this is something I'll look back on years from now and remember this day forever. So if you were part of this first drop or wanted to be part of this first drop, it means a lot. So really cool, but yeah, for now, I gotta put up the camera. We gotta finish up these boxes. All right, so it's been a little while, but as you guys can tell, we got everything for the most part finished up here. Just set up a ton of these boxes to take a nice little drop photo, which I've always dreamed of kind of doing, so cool moment for sure, but it's a lot of boxes, and there's even more behind here you can't even see. So right now it's 4:30, USPS closes at 6. We're gonna see if we can get this stuff over there before they close today, so let's go. Living in a high-rise apartment, hand packing boxes. I knew this would be a pain. It's probably not the easiest way to do it, but it's part of what I signed up for. All right, so loaded everything up in the back of the truck. Finally pays off to have an F-150 in downtown Chicago, but like I said, we're headed to USPS right now. I've never really done this. We gotta go in and tell them we got a bunch of packages to drop off. I feel like in other cities, it might be a little easier to do that than downtown Chicago, so we'll see. Thank you. I'll see you again soon. All right, so dropped off all the packages, same day shipping. But no, actually everyone at USPS was really nice. I was kind of nervous about that, to be honest, but they brought us out back, was able to just pull up the truck to the loading dock, drop all the packages off. First time doing this. I've seen a lot of different creators and different friends I have that kind of do this type of a thing, but it was kind of cool to do it myself. Shout out to the help of Miranda for the help as well, but you know, it's cool to do it like as my own brand. Yeah, as for now, gonna head back to the office, get things cleaned up, and then we'll see what we got going on for the rest of the evening. Gotta celebrate a little bit too, because it's a big day. Sold out in 2 minutes. That's still crazy. I feel like I gotta start planning the restock right now or the next drop. So, all right, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, how's the lighting looking here? Okay, still good. You just never know with a hat on. So at this point, just got out of the shower. It's been a long day of running around, carrying stuff, packaging up a ton of boxes. That was so much fun. Like I mentioned this earlier, but this is genuinely something I've envisioned doing for years now. And if you guys didn't watch one of my last videos kind of talking about starting this brand, you definitely should go check it out. It's gonna give you a lot more context to just kind of the meaning and everything behind it. But I've kind of envisioned doing exactly what today was for so long. So it's just a really cool moment that it's finally here. But this has taken up pretty much all day. So at this point, a few of the things I was gonna do tonight will have to move to tomorrow, and that's just part of this. And now that I'm full-time, I'm able to kind of move around my schedule like that. So obviously I've documented this entire first drop on this video. I've tried to shoot some photos today, also shoot some vertical content. It's kind of hard to do all of it. But you know, a big thing of me starting this brand is I really do want to show this entire journey. This is me literally starting from ground zero. Huge shout out to my boy Scott with Uphill Battle. He's a part owner of a few different companies. This is one of them. I would have not been able to even get this Shopify up and running and as smooth of a process as it was without him. So huge shout out to Scott. I'll link his stuff down below as well. But that's kind of what this entire thing is about. You have people in this space that you've looked up to or has motivated you or has started their own things. And that kind of gets you fired up to start your own thing. And then you kind of have this network of people that have been there before. They can help you out in these situations. I don't know. I feel like I could ramble forever today, to be honest, but I just offloaded all the photos from today, and it's really cool to see it all kind of come to life and to actually see all this work that I've put in kind of behind the scenes now for months. Just a really, really cool day and really special. So with all that being said, for the rest of the evening, I think I'm gonna work on some of this photos. I'm going to offload this footage of this video you guys are watching right now. Probably get started on this thing because I'm pretty fired up about it. I wanna try to make a couple vertical videos as well, but tomorrow I gotta post a nice little photo dump of selling out because this is a special one for sure. But before I dive into all this content, we're throwing a couple of steaks on the grill tonight. And I think we deserve to celebrate just a little bit, don't you? All right, so to cap off a successful day, a successful launch, we had a little bottle of champagne laying around, so figured we might as well celebrate this day because this is the first of many. So cheers to you guys. Thank you for everyone for the support. Thank you for everyone who supported this channel, because without any of this community, none of this would even be possible for me to have the opportunity to even try to do something like this, let alone to create something, create a brand, and to sell out in a couple minutes. So super cool moments. Lab Culture Drop 001 in the books. Appreciate you guys. Get ready for the next one.